was last seen at 420
Virginia
Elmo
Amber.
Chapel Road in Spotswood, Virginia. Abducted is Jaxson Moran, white male, brown hair, brown eyes, 13 years old, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 115 pounds. He's possibly wearing a lime green and gray Ariat baseball hat, navy blue Under Armour hooded sweatshirt, blue jeans, and Ariat work boots. The child has been abducted by Stephen Dale Moran, white male with red hair, brown eyes, 5 foot 5 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. The suspect is possibly wearing a long sleeve shirt, blue jeans, tennis shoes, and a camouflage John Deere baseball cap.
Was last seen at
For further information, contact the Augusta County Sheriff's Office at 540-245-5333 or visit twitter.com/VSP alerts.
Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert. Abducted Jaxson Moran, white, male, brown hair.
Blue jeans and Ariat work boots. The child has been abducted by Stephen Dale Moran, white male with red hair, brown eyes, 5 foot 5 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. The suspect is possibly wearing contact the Augusta County Sheriff's Office at 540-245-5333 or visit
Further information, contact the Augusta County
Sheriff's
Sheriff's
Office
Office
at 540-245-5333 or visit Twitter.
At 8, I'd get up and take a walk.
I missed having a cigarette in my hand.
Hello, WTOP. You were not supposed to relay this, but okay.
The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children Clearinghouse have issued an Amber Alert for an abducted child. Jaxson Moran is described as a white, 13-year-old boy with brown hair, brown eyes, 5 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 115 pounds. He was last seen wearing a lime green and gray Ariat baseball cap, navy blue Under Armour hooded sweatshirt, blue jeans, and Ariat work boots. Police describing his abductor as Stephen Dale Moran, a white man with red hair, brown eyes, 5 foot 5 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. If you have information, call the Augusta County Sheriff's Office at 540-245-5333.